La Bocha House by YDR Studio plus AR Studio in Guatemala. The architectural masterpiece, nestled along the tranquil shores of Lake Amatitlán, Guatemala, not only stands as a testament to modern design but also serves as a sanctuary where luxury and leisure converge seamlessly. Within the prestigious Polo complex, this residence was meticulously crafted to fulfill the diverse needs of our client, an impassioned polo enthusiast seeking respite during the demanding practice season and a captivating venue to entertain friends post-match. Drawing profound inspiration from the timeless elegance of equestrian architecture, every detail of the design narrative is imbued with a sense of refined grace. The warm embrace of brown steel, meticulously integrated throughout the structure and accentuating the windows, pays homage to the rugged sophistication of equine arenas. Complementing this, the earthy tones of rammed earth walls establish a harmonious dialogue with the natural surroundings, grounding the residence in its idyllic setting. In a delightful homage to the client's fervent passion for polo, the equipment finds new life as captivating decorative accents, infusing the space with a palpable sense of heritage and adventure. Moreover, the residence doubles as an interesting gallery for the client's esteemed art collection, showcasing magnificent portrayals of horses and polo trophies, each piece adding a layer of narrative depth to the essence of the house. The open concept layout brings a graceful symphony of space, seamlessly guiding guests between the social and private areas of the house and finding moments of introspection within the different spaces, with cross-ventilation thoughtfully engineered to invite the crisp lake breeze into the interior. The user is invited to transit through the hallways feeling a connection with nature itself. From the heart of the home, the user can appreciate panoramic views of the lake and a verdant backyard garden. The program, meticulously curated to meet the client's needs, it's composed of 2 broad, comfortable bedrooms, an interior kitchen seamlessly integrated with a cozy living room, a pergola adorned with a barbecue area, and a fire pit for endless evenings under the stars. A luxurious pool accompanied by a soothing jacuzzi offers moments of relaxation, while a traditional temazcal provides a space for rejuvenation and connection with ancient traditions. Completing the ensemble, a discreet service house ensures seamless functionality behind the scenes, making this project functional as a whole. In this house, every element converges in a sublime ode to the timeless allure of Lake Amatitlán, crafting a sanctuary where the passions of polo, the warmth of family, and the indulgence of leisure seamlessly intertwine, fostering a sense of harmony and well-being that resonates throughout every corner of this project.